One night, a boy named Tom walked home from school. The road was dark. The wind was cold. On the hill, he saw a big old house. The house was black, with broken windows and a tall door. Tom said, "I want to see inside." He was afraid, but he was also curious. He opened the door. Creak. The house was quiet. Too quiet. The floor made a sound under his feet. Crack. Crack. "Hello?" Tom said. No answer. Then he heard a noise. Boom. Something fell upstairs. Tom went slowly up the stairs. He saw a long corridor with many doors. One door was open. Light came from inside. Tom walked to the door. He looked in. He saw a big mirror. But in the mirror, he did not see himself. He saw another boy. The boy in the mirror had the same face, but his eyes were red and his smile was strange. "Come inside," the mirror boy said. Tom wanted to run, but his legs were weak. The mirror boy came closer. Suddenly, Tom's dog, Max, barked loudly. Woof. 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 The mirror broke into 1,000 pieces. The scary boy disappeared. Tom grabbed Max and ran out of the house. The wind stopped. The moon came out. Tom said, "Thank you, Max. You saved me." From that day, Tom never went near the haunted house again.